Hello everyone. Welcome to Hack Tricks. Today we are going to see about footprinting. Footprint is simply known as concept of information gathering. We are going to use some basic methodologies for footprinting. The first one we are going to see is social engineering. Social engineering involves lots of steps. The first one is make the victim trust us that we are close to them and then trickily gather information from their own mouths. We can also use some tools like nmap, netcraft. These are some websites for social engineering. Second one is website footprinting. Website footprinting involves gather all information of victim using phishing. Phishing is the process of creating duplicate website which will look like popular sites. Those phishing sites send the data to the admin. Those duplicate websites will look like login page, admin panel or cPanel. Some of the popular tools used for website footprinting are Burpsuit, Vega, Paros. Next thing is email footprinting. There are two methods used for email footprinting. They are email tracing and email tracking. Using those methods, information such as sender name, sender email, sender physical location, sender's IP address and active ports of sender can be obtained. Next thing is competitive intelligence. It involves gathering, analyzing, defining intelligence about victim. Next thing is Whois footprinting. This method helps to view full details about website except login ID and password details. This tool is used for Whois footprinting. Next is DNS footprinting. It uses to obtain information about DNS. Later those details will be used for social engineering. Next thing is network footprinting. Typically, network footprinting involves gathering information about organization and its activities. Advanced type scanner, Ordino scanner, nmap, advanced port scanner are the tools used for network footprinting. To stay secure from footprinting, two methods are mainly used. They are countermeasure and penetration testing. We will see the practical session of do's and de-do's attack in next video. If you have any doubts or want to know about any particular topic in hacking, write down in the comment box. If you like this video, like and share. To keep in touch with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.